Wondering how you can set up your brand new Blink outdoor camera? I will take you through everything that you should do when setting up your Blink outdoor camera for the very first time. So, without further delay, welcome to Bling Bling. Let's get started. Before getting yourself a Blink outdoor camera, there are a few prerequisites that you need to consider. Without going too in depth, here are the things that you need in order to properly set up your Blink outdoor camera. You will need the Blink outdoor camera, of course. Make sure that it is powered using the AA batteries included in the box, or you can even use a micro USB cable to power the device. Secondly, you'll also need a Blink sync module, which is not included in your Blink outdoor camera box. This is a necessary component for the functioning of your camera. Next, you'll also need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. 5 or 6 GHz Wi-Fi signals won't work with any Blink device. Lastly, you'll also need a phone running iOS or Android that is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now that we've gotten over the initial preparation phase, let's move on to the meat and potatoes of setting up your Blink camera finally. The first step is to power the devices. You can access the battery compartment of your Blink Outdoor by using the pry tool that comes in the box and unscrew the backplate. Pop in the batteries of your Blink camera and your Blink camera should flash red, indicating that it's booting up and is searching for a nearby sync module. Next, plug in your sync module as well and the device should boot up successfully and show a stable green light indicating that it's powered on and a blinking blue light telling us that it's ready to pair. To initiate the pairing process, we will need a smartphone or tablet running iOS or Android and install the Blink Smart Home app. To do just that, open the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and search for Blink on the search bar on top. You should see the listing with the Blink app icon. Just tap on it and install the app. Opening the app should take you to the Blink app login page. The login page should contain fields to enter your email and password. If you already have a Blink account, you can simply log in using your credentials. But if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Create Account option. Follow on with the instructions where they ask you the country that you live in and enter the necessary information that the app asks for. You will also need to verify using your email ID and phone number to create your Blink account. Once you log in and boot into the app, you will be asked to add your devices. First, you should be adding your Blink Sync module. Tap on the Sync module option on the screen and grant the necessary app permissions that the Blink app might ask to read the serial numbers and QR codes. This should open up a camera viewfinder on the screen. Now, you will need to scan the QR code that is present on the back of your Sync module. The camera should recognize the QR code as soon as you bring your phone camera in front of the code. You will now be asked to create a new system. Now, a system is a group of Blink cameras that your sync module has control over, and the limit per sync module is 10 Blink cameras. So, if you have more than 10 cameras, you will need an extra sync module and create a new system. Once you create and name your system, you will be taken to the sync module pairing page. Tap on Discover Device and your phone should try to latch on to a Wi-Fi signal emitted by your sync module. Tap on Connect to temporarily connect to it. Once you're connected, your Blink app should show you the list of Wi-Fi devices that your phone is detecting. Select the Wi-Fi that you want your sync module to be always connected to from this list. Do remember that the sync module, like other Blink devices, only support the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band and not the newer 5 or 6 GHz ones. This is because the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi bands offer better coverage while providing ample enough speeds for the operations of Blink cameras. If you're unsure what Wi-Fi you're connecting to, I recommend that you contact your internet service provider to help you. Enter the Wi-Fi credentials and join the network so that your Blink app can pair the sync module with your Wi-Fi. If done properly, you should receive a pop-up stating that the sync module has been added successfully. Subscribing to our channel for more Blink content like this can also further increase your success odds. To add your Blink outdoor camera to your system, open the Blink app and tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. You should be taken to the same menu that popped up when you were pairing your sync module. But now, instead of the sync module, tap on wireless cameras. The rest of the procedure is the same. remove the backplate, scan the QR code on the back of the camera and add it to the system that you created with your sync module. The app should start looking for your camera and will let you know once it's added successfully. If you have more cameras and sync modules, you can just use the plus icon on the top and add your devices. Now that your setup is complete, let's move on to the installation process of your Blink camera. Fortunately, Blink does have a very easy mode of installation. It can use the stand that came in the box, and combined with the pry tool, it can prove to be an excellent setup for a tabletop scenario. But if you want to mount it on a wall, the stands do have holders for the 2 screws that came in the box. Since the stand allows for great flexibility, you can mount your cameras in almost any way you want. But an important factor that should be considered is the location where your Blink outdoor camera is mounted. Although this Blink camera has the outdoor tag in its name, it's not something that you take into the wilderness like say trial cameras like the Stealth Cam. Remember that your Blink outdoor camera needs to connect with the sync module, so you will always have to be in its proximity. The sync module in itself should be connected to your Wi-Fi so that it can access the Blink servers and in turn provide the recorder clips to the Blink app on your phone. So, in short, your sync module should be centrally located between your Blink camera and your Wi-Fi router for optimal operations. And with that, I believe that you're all set. If you have further queries regarding the best settings that you can configure with your Blink camera, I have a dedicated video for that, which I'll make sure to link in the description below. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.